May customized phone case ka na in under 3 minutes for 500 pesos. Is it worth it? Tingnan natin. My friend and I saw Casey DIY's Vendo machine sa food court ng SM East Ortigas. And since basag-basag na yung phone case ko, I had to give it a try. It's very user-friendly. Kailangan mo lang ng strong internet connection since kailangan mong i-upload yung photo or design na gusto mo for your phone case. QR code lang to, pati na rin sa payment option. I have an iPhone 15 and nahihirapan ako maghanap ng phone case kasi puro iPhone 17 na lang yung nakikita ko. This whole case printing process took 3 minutes. So ayan, husgahan na natin. Honest review, I've been using this phone case for 2 days na. And what I like about it is that matte finish na siya. Hindi bumabakat yung fingerprints ko. Kasama na rin yung lens protector. So what do you think? Would you spend 500 pesos for this phone case? Let me know.